Jed here to demonstrate how to manage virtual faxes with the GoTo mobile app. With GoToConnect, users can send and receive virtual faxes without owning a physical machine. The ability to send and receive faxes can only be performed through the GoTo desktop app. With the GoTo mobile app, however, you can read, share, download, and view details of virtual faxes. For this process to work, a few things need to happen. Your user needs to have downloaded and installed the GoTo mobile app and have a GoToConnect license assigned to them. They also need to be assigned to a virtual fax machine. I've added a playlist in the description of this video to a variety of other videos that can help you get things set up and running with virtual faxes for your GoTo account. I've already signed in as the user Ryan Noble. I'll use an Android phone for this video, but the steps will be the same for iPhone users. Take note of the options at the bottom of the app. You may see different buttons here depending on what options are available with your GoTo plan. If you are not there already, tap the phone icon. Now, tap the Fax tab. If you've received any virtual faxes, you'll see them here. Tap this drop-down list. From here, you can filter the results you see. If you have been assigned more than one virtual fax machine, you can elect only to see the faxes from that device. To read a fax, tap on it. If it has more than one page, you can scroll through them here. With the virtual fax open, tap the More icon, which looks like three dots stacked on each other. Here are additional options. If you tap Share, it will bring up different options you have on your phone for sharing with others, like texting. The virtual fax will then be shared as a PDF file. As the name implies, if you download the virtual fax, it will be downloaded to your phone. You can then access it even if you lose your internet connection with your phone. If you were to tap Dismiss, you'd be taken back to the previous screen where you can see your virtual fax. Also, please note there is no delete option. Faxes can only be deleted from the desktop app. Tap the View Details option. We can now see the phone number where the fax was sent from, the number of pages, and the date the fax was sent. That's all there is to manage virtual faxes with the GoTo mobile app. Thank you for watching the video. I've included links to additional videos about GoTo's products and features in case you want to learn more.